Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn how to use the filters. So the filters are located on the top of the site. You're going to find these filters that are located in multiple pages through our website. Okay, so to use the filters, you only need to click on the filter and then select what you want this information to be filtered with. Okay, so let's say I want to check all the trades that I have lost money, and perhaps I want to check all the trades where I chase the trade, which is a mistake. And then I want to see which trades. I want to click here more, which is going to allow me to see more filters. And then I'm going to say, give me all the trades where I have hold my shares for 8 hours or longer. Let's say 8 hours or longer, which is these two. Okay. So the cool thing about this is that it's going to not only filter the trades, and it's only going to show me the trades that apply to all these filters, but also the top widgets and the left hand side widgets that I have selected at the moment are also going to be filtered with these different settings that we have selected. Okay, so in this case I can say that I have lost around $800 for those trades that I chased them, I lost them, and then I have held them for longer than 8 hours. Okay, so keeping that in mind, we can also click on clear filters. This will delete all the filters that we have selected here, or we can simply just click on here and this will delete this specific filter. Okay, and then it will show me this. So maybe I didn't want to see all the trades that I held longer than 8 hours, but maybe we can say, okay, it was between 1 hour and 3 hours. I want to see all of them. So I can see these trades between an hour and 3 hours that I lost almost $2,000 on those. Okay, and I can get, of course, more granular. I can tell the system, okay, give me all that are related to the financial services in terms of sector. So in this case, I didn't make any trades that were on this sector that also applied all these 3 filters. Okay, so that's how you will manage them. So it's always good to clear filters, and this will take me back to view all my trades. Okay, so also it's important to know that this is I want to just apply this filter for the month. When I apply a filter here, if I move to any other page, for example the overview page, which give me my reporting, this filter is also going to be applied to this report page or to any of these report pages that I click on. For example, I click on the price filter. This set of filter that I have selected here above is going to be applied here below. Okay, so the only pages in the system that the filters will not be applied will be the evaluator, the simulator, and the management tool. Okay, other than that, the filters will be applied through the entire application. Okay, just remember that if you see any filters here and then you think the data is off, perhaps you should just click on clear filters. Okay, and that will give me data for all my trades. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.